This is a kind of information that a lot of us want to see, and congratulations if you are eligible for this very airdrop. That means you pass all of these criteria right here, which is very, very important. Congratulations, guys, if you're on this airdrop, and let's hope things, okay, turn out well, even though it's not that aggressive as expected. But let's hope that we get maybe something out of this very airdrop, not like the normal airdrop, especially the last one on this very channel, which is the pause airdrop. The most important thing now is if you are not eligible, which is very important because I'm concerned as well about others that are not eligible. That is why you need to watch this video all the way to the very end. The first criteria here is more than 100k BP, and then we have the second one, which is 750 MP or proof of activity. And the next one is at least 2 referrals and pass symbol check. So if you have done this, that means you should be eligible. Now, what if you've not met this criteria? I want to tell you that you can still do that, okay? And if you go to the Bloom community page, they stated that out clearly. So don't be discouraged. Most people are discouraged already, but if you don't meet this criteria, you can actually, max up, especially if you don't have 2 friends. You can quickly refer 2 friends right now and get this eligibility in check, which is very important. The second one is proof of activity or at least 750 main point. Now, the easiest way, if you don't have proof of activity and you want to get main point, which is what you can get right now, is by using bot. Okay, quickly use a bot on the main pad. Okay, once you use a bot and trade with the minimum $10, okay, $10 worth of trade, you can get this and you will get this check as well. And if you are close to 100k BP, just keep mining. Maybe you should get that done as well. And this symbol check, just ensure you do a lot of activity on the end section, and this too will be checked. So these are the ways you can get this done. Number one is this very referral. Just random person, this just join with your link. You can always get your link from the friends section. Let's say, for example, if I go back right here, I go to the friends section and you see invite friend. Okay, you can get your link from here. Once you click invite friend, you see copy link, send it to your friends and they will join your link, which is very important. And then the next thing here is this very point right at this very place where you have this at least 750 MP. Okay, use both. Don't do normal trading on main part. If you do that, you may not get it. But if you use both, it's guaranteed you're going to get this very 750 MP very, very quickly. Okay, and then this one, just go and do random activity on the end section, which is very important. And then this one, just keep mining, especially if you are very close. If you are far away, like 50, 60, I don't think you may get it, because right now drop game is no longer available that can actually increase your earning point, which is what you need to do right at the moment to get this in check. So these are the things that are very, very important right now, guys. So you can do your eligibility check, which is very, very important. You can see that I am eligible. Congratulations to myself. Congratulations to you as well. The most important thing now is the price. Look at the pre-market price right here. We see this rejection yesterday as this very information came out. And then right now, market is having this very little hammer pattern. So if I go back to the 4-hour chart, you see that the market is actually trying to push up with this very bullish candle, which is a sign that market have capability of moving to the upside, okay, before correction and then the next move upward. So possibly we can see the market move into this 0.002 area. Okay, that is what I am personally expecting, this 0.002 area. I'm expecting that before they announce the snapshot and probably the listing, we should see this move into 0.002. okay, that is above 0.0019 where the market is right now. So this is what you should pay attention to on this very chart. Market is going to move upward, in my opinion. Why? Because if you look at the price action critically, you discover that this is the last point where market get to. Market move, created a new high, and then this area where the market is right now is more like a correction of this very impulsive move that dipped right down. So after correction, market should move all the way to the upside into the 0.002. This is what I'm expecting before listing and snapshot is taken early next month, as the Bloom team have said already. So this is what I'm now expecting on the Bloom airdrop. Now, next week, that is early June, I'm going to do a price prediction of what I am expecting from this very token. Okay, realistic price prediction based on what has occurred and condition of the market generally right now. This is what you should pay attention to if you are on the Bloom airdrop. Congratulations once again if you are eligible, and then if you are not eligible, please follow those check and try to find out how you can do it, especially if your case is for the proof of activity or 750 MP. I prefer you using bots. If you use bots, you can easily get that 750 with just one trade. Okay, with bot, just one trade, you can get that 750 MP very, very fast instead of doing normal trade on your main part. This is very important, guys. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. You can join our Telegram channel, link in the description of this very video, and also in the pinned comment there is a free channel link below. Join right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.